secret to glowing skin lies in your freezer? I'm talking about ice, but with a slight twist. Hi guys, I'm Smriti, and in this video, I'm going to show you 4 different ice cubes that you can make using natural ingredients for clearer, brighter and glowing skin. But before I begin, you know what you have to do. Subscribe to the Be Beautiful channel and tap on the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Before I begin, a couple of things to remember when it comes to applying ice on the skin. Firstly, if you have sensitive skin, make sure to wrap the ice cube in a muslin cloth and then apply it to the face. Secondly, apply these ice cubes on clean skin. So ensure to use a facial cleanser beforehand so that you can get rid of some skin impurities like dirt, oil and product buildup. Lastly, massage the ice cubes on the skin in circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds. Let the skin air dry and then wash it off with water. The first variant of the ice cube is using 2 ingredients, tomato and honey. Bright red, tangy and full of goodness, tomatoes are not only great for your overall health, but when used topically, it offers relief from a lot of skin issues. Loaded with vitamin A, C, K, potassium and folate, the high amount of antioxidants in tomatoes also contribute to fading away fine lines and wrinkles, thus giving the skin an anti-aging effect. Honey, on the other hand, is a humectant that attracts moisture from the environment and traps it into the skin, which in turn will make your skin soft and supple. Here's how to make this ice cube. For this, you will need freshly squeezed juice of 2 medium-sized tomatoes, honey and an ice tray. Pour the tomato juice into a mixing bowl. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey and mix well. Empty this mixture in an ice tray and let it freeze. Given tomatoes' anti-aging benefits, these ice cubes would be ideal for mature skin. The second variant of the ice cube that I'm going to make today is basil leaf and aloe vera. Basil leaves have healing, antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties that are effective in banishing pimple-causing bacteria. As for aloe vera, it is antioxidant in nature, which means it can remove acne-causing bacteria from the skin and minimize the risk of scarring. Here's what you'll need: basil leaves, water, aloe vera gel, a mixing bowl, a spoon and an ice tray. Take a handful of basil leaves in a blender. Add 1 cup of water to it and blend well. Transfer it into a mixing bowl and then add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and mix well. Empty the mixture into an ice cube tray and let it freeze. These ice cubes would be ideal for those with oily and acne-prone skin. If you are a coffee lover, you'd know how coffee can turn a bad day into a good one. But what you didn't know is that this natural ingredient has the same superpowers for your skin as well. A powerhouse of antioxidants, coffee contains caffeine that helps in blood circulation, which in turn helps in bringing back the lost glow. Here's what you'll need to make the coffee ice cubes: coffee powder, water and an ice tray. Take 2 tablespoons of coffee powder and brew it in boiling water. Let it cool and empty the freshly brewed coffee in an ice cube tray. Then of course let it freeze. This coffee ice cube is perfect for people whose face lacks radiance or lackluster. And the last ice cube variant is using cucumber and lemon. Cucumbers have a high water content and are a rich source of antioxidants and silica-rich compounds that possess skin brightening properties and can be used against several skin discolorations, including dark circles and acne scars. Now talking about lemon. Lemon contains citric acid, which has some gentle bleaching qualities that slowly reduce dark spots by breaking down the melanin pigmentation and curbing the overproduction of it. Now to prepare the ice cubes, here's what you'll need: cucumber slices, lemon juice, mixing bowl, a spoon and an ice tray. Start by adding 10 to 12 cucumber slices in a blender and puree the cucumber. Pour the puree in the mixing bowl and add lemon juice. Stir well. Empty the mixture in an ice tray and let it freeze. These ice cubes would be ideal for those that are looking to lighten dark spots, hyperpigmentation and acne scars. Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you too are on a quest to get a free of cost frozen facial at home, then do try these beauty ice cube recipes. Before you leave, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful and ring the bell icon for further notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.